In my last video, I talked about the crazy social lives of acorn woodpeckers and how they can identify within hours when a vacancy for a new breeder has opened up on another territory. Breeding vacancies only occur when all of the breeders of a single sex die or disappear from a social group. There is no vacancy if, for example, all of the non-breeders of a certain sex die. So how do acorn woodpeckers find these vacancies so quickly? How do they know when certain specific individuals are missing from a particular group? It turns out that acorn woodpeckers spend a lot of time flying around and spying on their neighbors. And the work that I did during my PhD showed that they recognize one another by voice and have a sophisticated understanding of who's who in the groups that surround them. Acorn woodpeckers make a call known as a waka display that they often produce in an overlapping chorus with members of their own family group, but not with outsiders. I recorded waka calls from a bunch of different birds, and then created artificial choruses by overlapping two recordings to make it sound like two birds were giving a waka display together. Some of the artificial choruses were between birds who actually belonged to the same group, which is a totally normal scenario. But some were between birds who belonged to different groups and had no business calling together. Then I played the artificial choruses to woodpeckers from a third group, and I found that the woodpeckers reacted much more quickly, indicating that they were surprised or disturbed when they heard a simulated chorus between two birds who didn't belong together. One of the things that I love about studying animal behavior is that you often get a much deeper appreciation for the complexity of wild animals' lives than you would from studying population or ecosystem dynamics alone. Woodpeckers aren't typically what comes to mind when people think about highly intelligent animals. But I found that just like primates, ravens, and other canonically intelligent species, acorn woodpeckers understand something about the social relationships between others, a sophisticated cognitive ability known as triadic awareness. Follow for more content about animal intelligence.